Choline chloride is an important constituent of poultry feed. The quality of choline chloride and its economics is always an important issue for us. Let us discuss about the same in this video. Choline chloride is manufactured in 4 stages. In the first stage, ethylene oxide is reacted with liquid trimethylenamine and we get choline-based solution. In the second stage, this choline-based solution is reacted with hydrochloric acid to get choline chloride 42%. In the third stage, this choline chloride is steam dried to make 75% liquid choline chloride. In the fourth stage, this 75% liquid choline chloride is spray dried with corn cob to get final 60% product. The right method of evaluation of choline chloride is by testing the product by LCMS, liquid chromatography mass spectrometry or spectrophotometry. The simple lab titration method can give wrong results and is not the right way of evaluation of choline chloride. A good quality choline chloride must have the following features. It should be free-flowing. It should not form cake. The TMA level must be always below 300 ppm. It should be dioxin and heavy metal free. The particle size should be uniform. And it should be highly bioavailable. Presenting Ayuchol, the guaranteed choline chloride from Ayugen Pharma. Ayuchol provides 60% choline chloride and we test our products with LCMS method. Ayuchol contains lowest level of TMA, very much below the permissible limits. Ayuchol is free-flowing and has no caking issues. It provides uniform particle size which results in better mixing. Ayuchol is highly bioavailable. It is manufactured with strict control of dioxin and heavy metal. Considering all these features of Ayuchol, your search for a good choline chloride product ends here. We regularly test our product in in-house labs and authentic private labs. For business queries, contact our local manager or us.